Okay, hey guys. So just thought I'd do this video to demonstrate something I mentioned in the Discord a little while back that added a feature that I'm working on, a feature for this cap sheet app to verify cap sheets. So as you can see, this is pretty much what's looked like the last time I did a video with the different buttons for editing the video. And so now I added this other tab. You can click on here, the verify cap sheet tab. So you go back and forth. And so how this works, you just click verify cap sheets, verify the button, and it'll bring up a Explorer window. And then you go to where you have your cap sheets, and it can do any number of cap sheets. It could do, if you want, you could just do one at one, or you could do all of them. Like for example, select all of them. Now I'm missing some of the cap sheets here. I originally did all 16, but some of them were causing errors. So I'll have to debug that and figure out what the problem is with those. So yeah, this still has work to do. So, but anyway, select the cap sheets you want. So here we'll select them all. Then you click open. And now it'll take a little while. You just wait a little bit. And it's running to verify the cap sheets. And I can't send this version out yet if anyone wants to try it, because here it's still done, but I made some changes, and I have to make some fixes because I can't build an executable file now. So anyway, this is what you get. So it shows the result for every cap sheet. And as you can see, a couple of them got errors. So what we'll do is we can delete each of these individually. Let's delete the ones where no errors were found. And I actually went through and I put these in. They were originally okay. And so like right now, it's only checking the total salary formula. And that's something I'll have to keep adding tests to this. But so we can demonstrate here. We got the heat wave cap sheet. So open that up. And yeah, so the total salary, you see, we expect it should just be G2 plus G3. That's the roster plus penalties, but it's got this E13 in here. See, so we'll delete that. I'll save this one. And then the other one is the SPNL. I don't recall that one offhand. And so, yeah, I'll click the total salary one, and it's got this multiply 2 in there. So we'll delete that and save that. And so now we can delete all of these, delete all results, and we'll try running again on all of them. Just like we did before. And yeah, now we can see all of them passed and there were no errors found. And again, if you want, when you're done, you can just click this to delete all of the results. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, I still have some debugging to do, but yeah, like right now it only checks the total salary. I'm working on like adding, first thing I'm going to do is I want to check all the formulas. So I got the test for this one. Next, I want to do a test for the roster, then a test for the penalties, make sure each of these formulas are right. And how it works is when it'll load the cap sheet, and it will when it loads it, it goes through the whole thing. Oh, St. Paul Northern Lights. And so it'll go through and it'll save. It finds like, okay, this is the roster, so that means this cell here is the roster salary. It finds this where it says penalties, and so then it knows this is the penalty cell. It'll know G2 is the roster salary, G3 is a penalty salary, and then when it does the check, it'll make sure that these line up, that the salary formula is the roster plus penalties, and that's how I'll do it for all of them. So yeah, I'm going to go do the header part here first, probably do these, and then work my way down on the on all the players. So go row by row and check all the formulas, and then you can add other stuff too, like well, I don't know if we can, maybe I can check the color coding or whatnot. But yeah, it's definitely still going to need like a human to look at it. I think this will be like a good first thing you can do to do a quick sanity check and see if you can find anything, and then you can do it again after, like if you have to make updates forever, you can do it again after. And so another feature I added to this is when you generate a cap sheet, it'll automatically run the test. Oh, got a comment. Commissioned my league, traded 2 late first and got Mahomes, but vetoed me when I traded. Oh, well, that stinks. Yeah, I'm sorry, not really getting. Thanks for stopping by and just demonstrating this. This is kind of like just for my league, but so let's we'll just do this quick. Use this test sheet. Remember, let's say I want to move a player. We'll find Jake Browning. I'll move him to the developmental squad. If I hit generate cap sheet, again, this will take a little while. Oh, I've got to fix that because it passed. So see, it ran the test, and I actually did fix this like in a later one, but this is in some code, but this is older code. But you can see it ran the test like we were just looking at. So once we get if and when we get using this more, then every time we use this, it'll automatically run that test and let people know if there's any issues with the cap sheet. So yeah, that's what I've got so far. I'll keep working on it. I'll try to get so I can generate the executable. Let me know if anyone wants to try it out, or if you'd like, you can just send me the cap sheets and I can run it and try it out on my end. So thanks for watching.